upbeat music plays, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we take the guesswork out of shopping and help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning with a showdown between the Kenmore SM2050 2-in-1 Steam Mop and the BISSELL SpinWave Smart Steam Scrubbing Steam Mop. Who will shine brighter in this cleaning contest? Let's find out. First, let's discuss price. The Kenmore SM2050 is priced at a budget-friendly $89, making it a great option for those looking to save some cash. Reviewers appreciate this affordability, especially when they compare it to their previous steam mops. However, the BISSELL SpinWave comes in at a higher price point of $159, which some users feel is justified by its advanced features. Reviewers note that while the BISSELL is more expensive, it offers a premium cleaning experience. If you're on a budget, Kenmore might be your best friend, but if you're willing to splurge, BISSELL has its merits too. Next up is cleaning power. The Kenmore SM2050 claims to remove 99.9% of dust without using harsh chemicals, making it a favorite among those who want a cleaner that's both effective and eco-friendly. Reviewers rave about its quick heating and versatility in tackling various surfaces. On the other hand, the BISSELL SpinWave features intelligent LED displays and fingertip controls, and users report impressive results on tough grime, especially on old vinyl flooring. While the Kenmore excels in lightweight maneuverability, the BISSELL is often praised for its powerful steam and thorough cleaning capabilities. Both products have their strengths, depending on your cleaning needs. Now, let's dive into versatility. The Kenmore SM2050 is celebrated for its ability to clean not just hard floors, but also carpets, rugs, and upholstery. Reviewers love its multifunctionality, making it a true cleaning powerhouse. In contrast, the BISSELL SpinWave has a removable water tank and washable microfiber pads, which is great, but some users find the laundry aspect a bit of a hassle. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution, Kenmore seems to be the go-to, while BISSELL is great if you prefer ease of maintenance without extra laundry. User-friendliness is another crucial factor. The Kenmore features swivel steering, making it easy to navigate around furniture and corners, which many users appreciate. Reviewers highlight its lightweight design, making cleaning less of a chore. The BISSELL, however, boasts LED headlights, which some find helpful for cleaning in dimly lit areas. Users have commented that while it's easy to use, some technical issues with the water tank have been reported. Overall, Kenmore seems to take the lead in ease of use, but BISSELL offers unique features that some might find beneficial. Finally, let's talk accessories. The Kenmore SM2050 comes with 3 versatile tools for stubborn messes and a carpet slider, making it feel like a complete cleaning kit. Reviewers appreciate the added tools that enhance its functionality. Meanwhile, the BISSELL SpinWave offers washable microfiber pads, which is a nice touch, but some users feel it lacks the variety of accessories that Kenmore provides. If you love having extra tools at your disposal, Kenmore might be the better choice, while BISSELL is simpler but effective. In summary, the Kenmore SM2050 Steam Mop is highly regarded for its affordability, versatility, and ease of use. Users appreciate how it effectively cleans various surfaces, although some have mentioned limitations in cord length and steam output. On the other hand, the BISSELL SpinWave is praised for its powerful cleaning capabilities and innovative features, despite some technical issues reported by users. Overall, both products have their strengths, making them suitable for different cleaning needs and budgets. So what's the verdict? If you want a budget-friendly, versatile steam mop that can clean just about anything, the Kenmore SM2050 is your best bet. But if you're looking for something that offers powerful cleaning capabilities with a touch of innovation, the BISSELL Spinwhip might be the mop for you. Let us know in the comments which product you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more comparisons. And remember, product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it classy.